Hi guys, it's Josh Bring again, and here at AP Chemistry, things can get a little stressful, so we like to lighten the mood sometimes with a joke or two. So today I'm going to be telling you one about helium. So helium walks into a bar. The bartender says straight away, "We don't serve noble gases here." Helium sits down and doesn't react. Alright, so that was a good one. Alright, now we're going to be learning sig figs, multiplying and dividing. Alright, so our first one, 2.526 divided by 3.1. We're going to ignore this stuff just to start out with. So when you're dividing, you do it to the least number of sig figs. So for example, this one is, thank you Alex, 2 sig figs. And now I did the calculations right away, and it's 0.81, correct Alex?
Yep, that sounds right.
Thank you. So I'm just going to put 0.81. Now, I only use 2 sig figs because there's only 2 sig figs, and you use the least number of them when you're dividing. So let's go on to the next one. 0.47 divided by 0.623 ends up being 0.754?
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
That's right.
Yeah.
Alright, so once again, the least number of sig figs, if you watch our previous video, going from left to right, showing 3. So we put 3 here. Alright, next one. Now, can you guess how many sig figs you use in this one?
4.
It's 4, Josh. It's 4.
It's gonna be 4. So that ends up being about 186.6.
Fix your marker, Josh.
So I'm sure you guys can see that. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna add these all up, and just like with addition, you use to the least decimal point. So for this one, 188.1, because the least number of sig figs ends up being to the decimal of this point. Alright, for the second one, we're going to do 6.404 times 2.91. Now, if you look at these, the rule's the same. There's only 3 sig figs here, so in our answer for this part, we will only have 3 sig figs. So I'm going to write it out as I have done the calculation. And then we have a divide sign. So, and then this one, 18.7 minus 17.1. You guys already know the rule for this one. Would be 1.6. And then since we're dividing, the final answer is only going to be 2 sig figs because the least number is only 2 sig figs. So that's going to end up being 12. Alright guys, that's about it for today. Just make sure to remember these rules and use them on your tests, as it can greatly help you.